Well, welcome in everyone. I hope you are doing well today. I'm Taffany and this is Tika's Gardens. And my husband and I were out today harvesting seeds, and I decided let me grab my camera so I can show you what we are doing. So first, let me show you what we're harvesting. I'll show you what we've done already, and then we'll talk about it at the end. So let me show you what we're going to be harvesting, and then I'll show you what we've already done. So guys, as we head back to the vegetable garden, I just want to let you know that this is Christmas Eve morning and everyone is out in the yard with me here just hanging out. So we're going to head back to the vegetable garden and I'll show you kind of what's going on back here. So guys, this is what we already started working on. This particular vegetable is a vegetable called Tika. And I mentioned to you guys before that I am full-blooded American. My husband is not. And so this is a vegetable from his country. And you can see that we've already cut the main branch off there. But we've harvested a lot of it. There's a few more left, so I'm going to clip those last few so you can see what we do. And these are the seeds right here. And I have them in the bucket because they're just falling all over the place. So my hope is we won't have this growing in our gravel and stuff later and in the bed here. But as you can see, there's still some small ones on here. So I'm going to clip those off, put them in the bucket, and then I'll show you the other vegetable that we're going to be harvesting seeds from as well. So these are the last little seeds on here. I wasn't even filming. I didn't even think about it until we were almost done with this. And I was like, let me show you guys how we harvest this. There's even one here. All right, guys, so we've got all of this particular vegetable up. Here we are in the bucket. You got a chance to see how we just clip the ends off, and we planted this whole side here with this vegetable and only one grew, and that's this one. So we decided not to harvest the vegetable but to just let it grow to seed and see if we're able to produce one that will grow for us here, so he can have some of the vegetables that he grew up with growing as well here. So that's all we do. We just basically clip off the end with the seeds on it, and all of that are seeds, all of that. And, I'm sorry, I had to bend down to pick this up. There is a little one growing on here. Let me see if I can find it. I just had my eye on it. Let's see. I just had my eye on it. That is a little bitty seed pod. Here we go. That right there is a little seed pod that is starting to grow. So, let's see right there. You can see it. So that obviously we're not going to worry about that. It's going to die off since we've broken the plant and cut it. But Yeah, so this is kind of the same technique you can do for a lot of other things. When they are growing and they flower and then get ready to produce seed, you can just clip off the end where the seeds are, and you don't have to necessarily clip off the whole entire plant. But let's head over to the next vegetable and let's get that trimmed up and cut off the seed heads. So let's head over there. So this vegetable, guys, is called shoko, and it has seed pods, these large ones as you can see, which are ready to cut. My gardening buddy has already started cutting off the larger seed pods. The smaller ones will stay and we'll let them grow some more. But we did not plant that there. It just grew there on its own from when we tried to grow last year vegetables from last year. It just popped up there. So we let it stay so we could let it grow to seed and harvest it, because we really didn't have any luck growing any of his vegetables this year. So hopefully next season these will grow for us. So we have all of the large seed heads off, and these are the smaller ones. We'll let them grow and then we'll collect them as well. And as you could see when I was showing you the seed pods, that the little black seeds are inside those little fuzzy flowers. So we just have to shake them out. And then I'll just bag the seeds in little seed bags. So that's all we do, guys. Well, everyone, that is just a quick little snapshot of how we harvest some of the seeds for plants and vegetables that we grow. We always usually let, when we're doing a bunch of vegetables, I usually let one or two of them grow and produce flowers and seeds so we can collect. So basically you buy seeds once, but then you have them forever is the goal. So those are the two that we harvested today, and I just wanted you to kind of see how I do it. That technique is kind of the same technique I use for all the others, but this is a little quick video today because it is Christmas Eve. It is in the morning. So hopefully you guys will see this by afternoon, and I hope you guys enjoy your holiday, and we'll be back after Christmas. So happy holidays to everyone, and I hope you enjoyed learning how to harvest seeds. I hope it's helpful for someone who is new at it and kind of wants to learn how to do it. You know, I know everybody has their own techniques. This is mine. Hopefully it will fit for someone. But anyway, in the meantime, have a great day. Enjoy tomorrow, your holiday, and I will see you after. Take care. Bye.